Welcome to Easy Software. In our business, we are purchasing and selling the items. While purchasing the items, along with the item amount, we pay lorry rent, insurance, or else the supplier may give discount to us. All together added and subtracted, and finally we get the landing cost. If the item's cost is 100 rupees and it has a freight charge of 10 rupees means, then the actual cost of the item is 110 rupees. Like this, each item has a unique rate and also a landing cost. So in this video, we are going to see how to see the landing cost. Before seeing the landing cost, let us open any one purchase bill and see how we have done the freight charge. Now click the purchase bill. Now I'll open and show you a purchase bill. In this you can see Raj Chem India's bill. In this below add less. Before tax we add freight and coolie paid on purchase and we have given 325 rupees for that. Oxalic acid item cost is 53 rupees per kg. Nitrobenzene item cost is 85 rupees. This is just the item cost, but actually the original landing cost of this item how much means we have to divide this 325 rupees by this item cost. Then only we can know the landing cost of the item. Let us see what is the landing cost of this item. Now I minimize this screen. To see the landing cost, in the start menu, you can see the item landing cost option. Click that. Type an item name in it and then type how many last inward entries you need to see. It will show you the average landing cost. We have seen an item named oxalic acid in the purchase bill. You just type that item name and then how many previous purchase bills we have to see. It will add and subtract and show you the average. For instance, let us take previous 10 entries. Now select view. We have only entered 9 bills for this item. It will show the date, bill number, name of the supplier, how much rate we have entered in this bill, the amount of discount given by the supplier if any, the other expense. For example, freight charges or all comes under other expense. Now rate before tax. This is the rate which comes before tax. Now the item which we have seen is in bill number 573. It appears in the top in first row. In this the item rate is rupees 53 and rupees 53 appears here. The freight which we have given is 325 rupees. It will separate the average for the total amount. 50 paise per kg is the freight charge for this item. That means the rate of this item before tax is 53 rupees and 50 paise. 50 paise is additionally comes in this. Next tax amount is 9 rupees and 63 paise added. Totally 63 rupees 13 paise. Like this, the rate before tax of these 9 bills all sum up together and we get an average of 54 rupees and 18 paise. This is the average landing cost before tax. Likewise, the average landing cost including tax is 63 rupees 93 paise. This is the average landing cost including tax. Now let us see the next item. Next item is nitrobenzene. Select nitrobenzene and press enter. And once again press enter. Now the purchase bill details of this item appears on the screen. In this, in each bill, what we have entered as the rate of this item and if there is any discount, how much of other expense, rate before tax. Below that it shows the average cost also. After that, including tax amount, it shows the average landing cost. Like this, you can see the landing cost for any item. Based on this, you can decide your selling price. In this screen, the options like Export Excel, Print and Export are all available. You can use that. If you click Export Excel, this whole content will get converted into Excel. Like this. The same way, if you click Print and Export, this content will appear in an A4 sheet in a printable way with a rich format. You can do the page alignment on your own. Sending email option also available in this screen. You can save it as an attachment and send it through email. Also, if you need it in another format, you can export it in the format as you want. Finally, in this video, we have seen the average landing cost before tax and after including tax. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in another video. Thank you.